Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 3, Week 3, Day 4. Our topic for today is root words and interrogative sentences. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Root word. Review presents some root words from the story, how the mountains of San Mateo were restored. Do you remember how to identify the root words from our previous lesson? Below are sets of root words from our reading text today. Identify the root word of each word. Encircle or underline the root words as the learners give the answer for each. Notice, started, called, agreed, created. Lesson purpose, intention. Today, we will go back to the story how the mountains of San Mateo were restored and show Filipino resiliency. Lesson language practice. Let us learn new words today. We will read this together. Animal, think, new, family, people, beautiful, and water. Reading the key idea stem. Let us read the paragraph below. Do you remember who Bathala is? What did he see? If we wanted to ask questions about the story, how would we do it? Bathala, the king of the gods, lived above the clouds and watched over the land. He noticed a serious problem. The once green trees were now turning brown and the rivers were dying. Do you remember who Bathala is? What did he see? If we wanted to ask questions about the story, how would we do it? For number 1, Bathala, who is? Arrange it. Number 2, live, did, were Bathala? Arrange it. Number 3, see, what, did, Bathala? Number 4, turning, where, why, brown, the, trees? And number 5, dying, rivers, the, where, and why. Arrange the following. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. There are 3 kinds of asking sentence. Number 1 is the yes and no, number 2 is the WH, and number 3 is the choice. Yes and no questions can be answered with either a yes or no. This sentence starts with a verb followed by the subject. For example, do is the verb and you is the subject. Did Bathala seek the help of the gods to bring back the mountains, the beautiful mountains? You can give an answer like yes. Bathala called the gods and asked their help in restoring the mountains. Why did Bathala call the gods of the wind? WH questions begin with the question word like who, when, where, why, what, and how. The question word is followed by the verb and the subject. The answer to this question is information. You can give an answer like, he called the god of the wind to spread the seeds across the land. Choice questions offer a choice of two or more answers in the questions. Were the gods willing to help Bathala, or were they just bystanders to Bathala's quest? You can give an answer like, the gods were willing to extend their help in order to restore the dying environment. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. We learned a lot of words in our previous lesson. We encountered words with two consonant letters in the middle of the vowel. For example, we have cotton, happen, and sudden. Today, we will study new words with different consonant letters in the middle. Let us read and define each word. Problem. They knew that every problem could be solved by teamwork. A problem is something that is hard to do or something that needs to be fixed. It is like a challenge that we have to solve. It could also mean a challenge, trouble, or issue. Mountains. The San Mateo Mountains in Rizal were known for their thick forests, clean rivers, and healthy animals. Mountains are very high land that rise above the ground. We could relate it to the hills, but is smaller than mountains, peak and highland. Silver. The river sparkled like a silver ribbon. The animals danced under the trees and the forest sang with the sound of wind and birds. This means the river shines and glows like something bright and smooth, which tell us silver is shiny and pretty. We could relate it to the words gray, metallic, sparkly, and bright. And obstruction. Asking questions are also known as interrogative sentences and are used to get information. Asking questions starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Evaluating learning. Ask the learners to pick 3 words from the box and use it in asking sentence. Remind them that it must begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Example, why did the people cut trees and never replant? This is an interrogative sentence or an asking sentence. This asking sentence begins with the WH question why and the W is capitalized and it ends with question mark. Here is the example answer.